Hi and welcome again. This is Fadil at eLearningx. Today we'll be looking at another screen recording software to help record your lessons. This time we will be looking at Zoom. Zoom, as you may already know, is a video calling service. It also has capabilities to help record your meetings, and it can also be used as a video recording session as well. It does not, unfortunately, have the capabilities to edit your videos, unfortunately, which is okay. So there are two versions of Zoom, the free version and the paid version. I strongly recommend that you use the free version, as the paid is usually for more live meetings with hundreds of viewers all at once. Um, Carrying onwards, the free is obviously is free to use. It's scalable for other purposes, and it's pretty easy to download. So, okay, we will show you how to download Zoom. Download Zoom for Windows. You want to type. You want to click on the first one here. You want to go under Installation, Zoom Installers, and depending on what operating system that you may have, Windows, Mac OS, Web, Linux, iOS for more. For me, I'm using Windows, so I will go for Zoom Desktop Client for meetings. So you click that, and it shows under here. Once you've done that, this window will pop up, and it shows a user interface which has a couple of things. This is responsible for creating a new meeting, which is also what we're going to do to create a video. This is also for joining meetings and share screening here. So first thing that you want to do is click on the settings, and then you want to go all the way down to recording. And this shows a collection of options here. You want to first and foremost store your recordings at a place where there's plenty of space. I recommend something that's more than 10 gigabytes at least. And this option I have clicked on, it says choose a location for recorded files when meeting ends. This basically allows you to save your video that you've just recorded in a separate file if in case something is full. Recording a separate audio file for each participant. This is more for podcasts and whatnot. Display participant names in recording. I'm not clicking on this. Optimize for third-party video editor. In case you want to edit your videos, you can click on this. I'm not, so I'm not going to do that. I am going to click on record video during screen sharing and place video next to shared screen in the recording. And I'm just going to leave it like that. And I'm going to click on new meeting. And what you want to do, you want to click on record. You want to maximize this and click on record. I'm going to continue without audio so we don't have an issue with this. And as you can see, it shows pause over here, recording over here. It's saying that it's not able to record my audios because my audio is currently being used somewhere else. Once you finished recording, I'm going to click on pause and stop, and I'm going to end meeting for all, and then it's going to convert my meeting into something else. And it's going to say, please select a folder where you would like to record your files to be saved. You want to do this at a place where there's plenty of space. And that is it. If I go to my files, so as you can see, we have the files here, and that is all there is to it for Zoom. Thank you for watching, and I hope to catch you next time.